English is an analytical language. There are no conjugations or declensions, so the words in a sentence are not connected by endings. Unlike the Russian language, in English, you cannot place words as you want. The listener will not understand you because they expect a certain word order. Subject, predicate or verb, attribute, object, adverb of manner, adverbial modifier. Attributes are in front of a noun. Definitions stand before a noun and can be in the form of a noun, pronoun, numeral, infinitive, gerund, participle, infinitive construction, gerund construction. An attribute with a preposition stands after the defined word. Several adjectives stand in a certain order. Articles, pronouns, numerals, and adjectives can act as attributes. For example, article adjective noun, as in I see the most beautiful lady. Pronoun adjective noun, as in my hungry cat waits for me. Pronoun noun of yours adjective, as in dog of yours is very clever. Adjectives. Let's consider the order of adjectives if there are several of them. To remember the order, you can use the acronym OSPSACOMP. They go in the following order: opinion, size, age, shape, color, origin, material, purpose. Opinion adjectives give a general opinion and are placed in front of specific opinion adjectives. For example, a beautiful new dress instead of a new beautiful dress. It is rare to use more than 3 adjectives, and they should follow the order mentioned above. However, there are exceptions to these rules, such as the clichés tall, dark, and handsome, and short, fat, and ugly. The order of adjectives in English is opinion, size, age, shape, color, origin, material, and purpose. For example, big, small for size, dry floor for physical quality, square pencil case for shape, old house for age, colorful, checkered pants for color and pattern, American car for origin, metallic table for material, and sports car for purpose. Before adjectives, there are determiners such as articles, pronouns, and numerals. The order of adjectives is flexible, and there are exceptions to the rules. It is rare to use more than 3 adjectives, and they should follow the order mentioned above. Attributes with prepositions stand after the defined word. Several adjectives stand in a certain order. Articles, pronouns, numerals, and adjectives can act as attributes. Next, we will study objects. Objects can be direct or indirect and can be expressed by a noun, pronoun, numeral, infinitive, gerund, participle, infinitive construction, gerund construction, or attributive noun. Direct objects answer the question what or whom, and are acted upon directly by a verb. Indirect objects answer the question to whom or for whom, and receive the direct object. Indirect objects stand before direct objects, and indirect objects with prepositions or prepositional objects stand after direct objects. For example, Peter wrote them a letter and he showed pictures to anyone. Before adjectives, there are determiners such as articles, pronouns, and numerals. After objects, adverbs of manner are often used in English. Adverbs of manner describe how an action happens and can be placed in front of a verb, after a verb, or in front of an object if there is one. Adverbs that indicate quality or give an assessment, such as well or badly, always come after the verb or its object. Adverbs of manner can be used to modify verbs, adjectives, and other adverbs. Some adverbs have 2 forms, with and without ly, and there is a difference in meaning. There are also adjectives and adverbs without ly, such as fast, hard, high, last, late, near, wide, early, best, better, worse, monthly, and many others. To form adverbs, ly is added to an adjective. If the adjective ends in a y, it changes to I plus ly. If the adjective ends in ulu, it changes to ly, and if it ends in ic, it changes to ally. For example, slow slowly, heavy heavily, horrible horribly, and magic magically. Adverbial modifiers are the last elements in a sentence and can be of reason, place, or time. They can be expressed by a noun, pronoun, numeral, adverb, infinitive, gerund, participle, infinitive construction, gerund construction, or attributive noun. Adverbial modifiers can be placed at the beginning or end of a sentence, and adverbs that indicate quality or give an assessment, such as well or badly, always come after the verb or its object. Adverbial modifiers can be used to modify verbs, adjectives, and other adverbs. Misplaced modifiers can cause confusion and should be used purposefully. Adverbial modifiers can be of reason, place, or time and can be expressed by a noun, pronoun, numeral, adverb, infinitive, gerund, participle, infinitive construction, gerund construction, or attributive noun. Adverbial modifiers of time and place can be placed at the beginning or end of a sentence, while adverbial modifiers of reason usually come at the end of a sentence. For example, last summer my friend wrote his parents letters very often. He wrote letters because he missed them yesterday. We chatted with friends in a cafe because we discussed the latest news. Thank you for attention.